Hi, my name is Ryshpan-Harris and welcome back. I'm glad you made it to the third session. Really appreciate you hanging in there for me. Third session, I'm going to get right to the point, is how to reach out to the world around you, okay? You may think, I got a little diner. Why do I need to reach out? Why do I need, you need to reach out. You want to make money, right? That's why you're in the restaurant business. You love cooking food, you love being a chef, but you want to make money, right? So, here's a little tip for you. Sell merchandise. So at Ryshpan.com, we will design your merchandise, we'll sell it for you, we'll make your t-shirts, we'll make your hat, and whatever else you want to sell, we'll make it for you. That's what we do. We make it, we design it, we print it, the whole deal, okay? And right now we have some really good deals to do that, but I'll talk about that later, okay? Why reach out to the world? Well, you want to be that diner in that town somewhere in the woods, okay, where people used to come because of tourism, but they don't come now because of COVID, okay? So you want to maintain your status as a restaurant or a diner, okay, in that particular area. You still want people to come as soon as we've got a handle on this virus, and this virus is really taking its toll on business. You know that, and I know that. You've applied for the PPE, you're ready, but nobody's coming in the door. And that is why you need to get your message out there. And you need to hire somebody like me and our company to make that happen for you. Because sometimes your vision, although it may be a great vision, is not a big enough vision for what you need to do these days, okay? We're here to make that vision just a little bit bigger, to make sure that your customers come in the door, to make sure that you have a solid restaurant business. Now, you could say, oh, well, I don't have to listen to her for it. Well, you don't have to listen to me, but I'm an idea person and we run an idea agency. And ideas are important. You need to keep it fresh, okay? You can't keep doing the same old thing you've been doing before because it's not going to work in this climate. You have to do something else. One of the things that we do besides setting up in-store merchandise and online merchandise, and by the way, that's one of the reasons Cracker Barrel is doing a great job, is because they have in-store merchandise and they have out-store merchandise, they have online merchandise, okay? And they not only have a store, but they have their restaurant with a great menu, right? And they can do takeout. That's wonderful, okay? YouTube is your friend, okay? Don't veer away from YouTube. People want to learn how to make things. They want to see how you make things. They want to know your little secrets or whatever. You don't have to give away your McDonald's, secret recipe sauce, okay? You don't have to give that away. But you do kind of have to say, hey, come on into my kitchen. This is my home. Like, we're filming from my kitchen today because I want to drive the point home that we're family when you come into our restaurant, okay? You treat us like your family. You treat your customers like they're with warmth, okay? That's why I'm sitting in my kitchen. I want to treat you like our family. I want to make you know that we're here to help you, okay? And we're not here to criticize what you're doing now. We're here to enhance what you're doing now. You know your business. You know your food. You know how to operate a restaurant. Fantastic. And I'm sure you're doing a great job at it. My job is to make it better. To come in and help you make it better. If you're losing money here, let's take a look at it. Let's see why you're losing money there. Yelp is also your friend. If you don't answer every single time your Yelp account, your customers are not going to come back because most people go right to Yelp, to see, is that a restaurant I want to go to? How many stars do they have? Do they get good reviews? That's what people do now, okay? They don't just walk into a restaurant because they want to make sure that Yelp approves of them, okay? The people who've been to your restaurant, what could they expect there? And if you get a bad review on Yelp, don't cry, okay? It's not your problem, okay? You shouldn't take it personally. Don't take it personally, okay? Go back and answer positively to these people. That's what's important, okay? Invite them back. Make their experience better. Make them want to come back. Get to know them, okay? There'll always be those customers you can't please. But if you try, I guarantee you that that customer will want to come back, okay? And they'll want to have a more positive experience with you, okay? And if they had a great experience, you want that out there, okay? So Yelp is your friend too. We can create a Yelp page for you. We want to help you succeed. And anything that we can do for you at these times is really up to you, okay? We have a special right now where we'll design, we'll print, and in the Las Vegas area only, we will deliver your menus within a 5-mile radius. And you can have all of that for under $500, okay? So let me just put that out there. And we also offer service that we will help you to implement all these things I just talked about. You need to have one item that you're really proud of, okay? That one item, that challah, that, I don't know, muffin, that soup, that something, or even a sauce, okay, that you're really proud of. And you want your customers to be able to buy it in store or out store, okay? There are certain websites like Goldbelly, for example. Goldbelly will take your product and ship it anywhere, okay? And that's important that you get your product out, because when that person comes to your town, hey, you know, remember we bought the sauce from blah, blah, blah? Oh yeah, let's go there. Let's try and have a meal there at their site. Or let's get takeout from there. That's really important. And I want you to understand that you have to tie all these things in, okay? So that's really, really important. Anyway, this completes our series. It's just a little tiny bit of tips for you to watch, to go over, and please give us a call. It doesn't hurt if we give you 1 hour free consultation, and you might just learn something in the process. Thanks again, and I hope you have a better time of it soon, and let us help you at www.ryshpan.com. Thank you very much.